Today I'm going to teach you how to make fish wrap, or in Thai it's called Miang Pla. It's like a fish wrap. It's like a street food in Thailand. It's really popular. Thai people really like it, and I don't see any restaurant in America sell it. That's why I cook this a lot. And I'm really excited to share this ingredient. It's really easy and simple and really cheap. And yeah, let's see what ingredient we have and how to cook it. สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้นะคะเราจะมาทำเมี่ยงปลาแบบฉบับต่างแดนง่ายๆทำเองได้ที่บ้านไม่ยุ่งยากไม่วุ่นวายไปดูกันเลย Alright guys, so this is gonna be all ingredient that we use for fish wrap. So first it's gonna be tilapia. Fish I buy the one that they already sliced it, ready to cook. So I got like a 4 pieces. It's about 1.5 pound for 2 people. But you can also use the whole fish. In Thailand, they use the whole fish and grill it. But today I'm going to fry it because I really like the crispy part when you like fry it. And next for the sauce, we call seafood sauce. This is really good with seafood. Any kind of seafood, you can use this sauce to dip it. So we have the chili. I use 6 Thai chili today, and then I use 5 garlic, and I'm gonna use 3 limes and palm sugar, and also this is cilantro and tamarind sauce and fish sauce. And this is gonna be the noodle. I use this brand, so I really like this noodle. So it's like really thin. If you can see in the supermarket and you want to make fish wrap, so grab this one. And this is gonna be the vegetable that we're gonna use it for wrap. So I got a Thai basil, and also this is a romaine, and this is a cilantro. So this is gonna be all ingredient that we're gonna use today. Let's cook. Alright, so we're gonna start with the sweet sauce first. So we have we're gonna make the 2 different kind of sauce. So one is a seafood sauce and one is a sweet sauce, which is like seafood sauce is gonna make the taste like sour and a little bit of salty, and then this sauce is sweet sauce. So I'm gonna use this tamarind and add palm sugar in this. So it's gonna be like a little bit of sour from tamarind, but the sugar gonna make this like more sweet. So I'm gonna add the tamarind sauce. This is about like 1 cup, and I'm gonna add the palm sugar. This is about 1 tablespoon. And you're gonna add a little bit of fish sauce in there, maybe like half tablespoon. Or you can also use salt if you don't like fish sauce. So next I'm going to cook the noodles. So I'm just gonna grab 1 piece of those noodle. So you boil up like 2-3 cups of water and add noodle in it and leave it about like 10-15 minutes. Alright, while we're waiting that to be cooked, so we're gonna just clean up the vegetable. Okay, so now we're gonna make the seafood sauce. So first you're gonna add chili and the garlic, and then you're gonna smash it. Next you're gonna add cilantro, then smash it. And next you're gonna add palm sugar in there, like maybe like 1.5 tablespoon, I would say. Yeah, and then smash it. It's a little bit hard. So you can also use a food processor or blender, but I like to do it this way better.
sauce is fish sauce. I use one and a half tablespoon for this. Oops, sorry. Let me mix them like that. Alright, so we're done for the seafood. So pour it in there a little bowl. Like that. Then we're gonna put a little bit of cilantro on top. Oops. Like that. So finished. Alright, so the sweet sauce is ready right now. So I'm gonna pour it in the bowl. The taste is gonna be like a sweet, a little bit of sour. So two of these sauce mixed together with the wrap is perfect. It's so good. So next we're going to fry tilapia. And I also add the salt and pepper in there to make this a little bit flavor. Alright guys, here be ready to eat. So yeah, that's the fried tilapia. Alright, let's eat. Okay, I'm going to show you how to eat the fish wrap. So romaine, this egg, and Thai basil. I have the noodles, fish, fried tilapia, then cilantro. This is peanuts on top. That's the base part. Add their seafood sauce and a sweet sauce.